everyone, welcome to our live room. Today I will show you around our factory. Our factory located in Renqiu City, Hebei Province, 160 kilometers from Beijing Airport and 180 kilometers from Tianjin Port. Okay, this 8 size is our drum vulcanizer machine. This one is with 2 meter wide, and now we are producing rubber sheets. You can see our rubber sheets will be with film in the middle. Now we are producing, I think, is 2.5 MPa rubber sheet. MPa rubber sheet. This is both sides smooth. We insert plastic film in the middle. You can see smooth surface, very smooth surface. This one is 2.5. You can see the edge. I think maybe it's 10 mm. Okay, this machine is producing rounded rubber sheet and green color fabric bottom. Let me show you clearly. Okay. Okay, see? The rounded pattern. Rounded pattern and the fabric bottom. This one is green rubber sheet with also plastic film in the middle. I think this one with density 1.8. Smooth surface. We have 9-size plate vulcanizer machine. Number 1, number 2 with 1.822 meter wide. Number 3 with 1.83 meter wide. And the number 4 is also with 1.22 meter wide. But the number 4 can make long run rubber sheet. Now we are making round-up stable mat. This pattern is we designed for one of our customer. It is with 1.22 meter wide, 1.83 meter length, and the thickness is 25. See the hammer surface and the bottom, the rubber lock bottom, and the edge will be cut. Okay, this one is also plate vulcanizer machine. We use this machine to make the small model the rubber mat, usually 1 meter by 1 meter, and some other small model the rubber.
Hello everyone, welcome to our testing machine room. Our testing machine is with gold touch brand, which is accurate and advanced. Usually there is no such high-end equipment in domestic, generally used for inspection of tire. Here I will introduce one by one. Okay, look at this one. This is our DIN abrasion resistance tester. And this one, Muni with counter. Moon-in die reameter, and aging oven. This one, tensile tester.
Our worker will strictly control the quality of the rubber sheet. It's CR rubber sheet. We are checking the width, 1 meter. This one is NR rubber sheet. It's with both sides smooth, and our worker will strictly check the width, thickness, and the length of the rubber sheet, and then packing. And now we are checking the checker rubber sheet. I think this one is 1.6 meter wide. You can see very clear surface. See the edge. the paper core in the middle, and then plastic bag, and then the woven bag on the outside. Hello everyone, here is our warehouse, and all the finished production cargo will be stored here. And you can see we have many different packings. This one is orange color woven bag, and blue color woven bag. And our worker is busy with loading the container. Okay, here we storage the rubber sheet with pallet, and we make the pallet with different size to suit the container. You can see our packages is very professional to protect the cargo. Different color packages. Okay, now we are busy with loading the container now, and all these two containers will be delivered to South Africa. The cargo will be loosed in the container as customers' requirement. The fan-ripped, round out, and the 2.5 MP rubber sheets will be loaded in these two containers. Okay, if you have any interest in our products, welcome inquiry with us. We have professional sales waiting for you. You also can add our WeChat in the screen. Bye bye.